Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, CarNet satellite communications, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.